Hi everyone, it's Joseph from Powerful Gain Stock Options, coming back with another video to highlight the stock scanner that I developed and to go over some of the winners and how you could have got in had you been utilizing the stock scanner, or if you identified those key stocks, how could you have entered and taken advantage of the momentum. So here we have the stock scanner. This one is just strictly geared for the S&P 500, and you can see the winners are ranging from $34 down to $4.50, $4, and they go a lot further. But I generally focus on this first top and second tier of stocks. Down here are it's a scanner for the Dow Jones and the other stock markets. You can see Tesla was up $184. NVDA up $30, almost $31. So there's some pretty good stocks with a lot of liquidity, so you can get in, get out pretty fast. Wanted to bring your attention here to Tesla. So if we look at Tesla on the daily, we can see that it had a key level here of 1674 that it just could not break. Back in July 13th, it made a new high of $18, pulled back and closed below this 1674 level, chopped around for a bit, tried it once, twice to break again and could not, made a doji, tried it a third time, could not. So then just chopped around here for a couple of days. Probably, it was about 10, a little over 10 days, just chopping around this key level here, 1470, is trading right around it. And this is the point where you don't want to be in this stock. However, you want to be aware of it, because chances are once it breaks to the upside or the downside, there's going to be a lot of momentum behind that move. And that's exactly what happened. We can see here on August 11th, it closed below this area, gapped up and made a strong candle right here with some high volume. Big volume came in. Next day made a doji, gapped up and traded slightly higher here on August 14th. Then today it made a powerful move. It actually gapped up over this key level here that it just could not break previously and continued to trade higher. And you see the uptick in volume. So this is actually one of the stocks that I got into today. And here's what I was looking at is I'm well aware of this key level. So once it gapped up over this key level, pre-market, it was already gapping up. And I wanted to see how it traded once the market opened, because Tesla is notorious for showing a lot of power in the beginning and then pulling back, and trading below a key level. So I didn't want to get caught up into that. So I waited till this candle closed, because I wanted to make sure there was power, continual power to the upside. So one of the indicators was that this was going to continue higher. Was, you can see the volume, the pickup in volume here is significant. This is on average 15.2 million is the trading volume on average for the past 30 days. Average 30-day volume. Today it traded at 20.2 million. So it's up $5 million in volume over a key level right at the open. And if it stays above here or breaks as high, then that's where you get in. And that's exactly where I did. I got in at 1706 and just held it until to see if it continued higher. Once it broke this level here, this last high, I didn't know, but I had a very strong. It was a very strong indication that it was going to go higher, because when this candle broke, you see there was another pickup in volume, and made another high up to 1754. Kind of chopped around here at 3 MA, then made another move again. So I ended up getting out around here at 1788 after an entry of 1705. So that was a strong gain in the morning, and out by 7:45 in the morning. You could have held here taken some profits and let a couple of runners go because it did continue higher, ended up going up to 1845. So I generally like to stay in this realm in the morning. Get in, get my take advantage of the highest liquidity, the highest volatility of the day, and get in and get out. But definitely, as you see, you could have stayed in and could have let a couple of runners run and still could have made some higher returns on your investment. Another stock that made some moves today was NVDA. NVIDIA was up $30, and here's how you could have got into NVIDIA. This too was also gapping up in the morning, and once this candle closed here, if the next candle broke above with volume or with conviction, you could have got in. So let's say you got in at 478 and rode it up to 484. That's a pretty sizable move right there. But there's really no reason to get out here. You can see it was just chopping, going back to 3 EMA, and then made another move higher up to 489. So 477 to 489. And, I probably would have got out around somewhere around here because, again, I generally like to catch the bulk of the move or the meat of the move. And for me, most volatility, most volume is in the morning. And here you would have captured the bulk of the move, up to 490, 490 from 478. Uh, but you could have, as I mentioned earlier, you could have taken profits and let your runners run here. You could have hit 496. The only thing is, as you go on through the day, you can see it's just a lot of chopping around, and the stock didn't really do much. It did slowly grind up there. However, if you have stock options, it's really not advisable to be in the trade, when it's chopping like this. And then if it goes down, you lose premium. So I like to get in, maximize my profits, and then get out. And then if it goes back in, you can always set your price levels, set your automatic trigger so you can get back in. If it show continual power. So that's it. Wanted to just show you two stocks that showed up on the scanner that I developed. So don't forget to like the video. Make sure to register for powerfulgains.com to get on our email list, and we'll be in touch soon. Thanks for watching.